Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the watch so troubleshooting is reliable. Power it down, charge to over 50%, and make a quick backup so settings are safe. Remove the band and protective case to expose speaker and microphone openings. You need direct access. Next, restart the watch to clear soft glitches and check for a firmware update because many audio bugs are fixed in software. Once done, you'll be ready for the physical cleaning step that actually removes noise sources. You now clean and test the audio path to remove debris and moisture. Use a soft brush to dislodge particles, then apply compressed air in short 1 to 2 second bursts. This avoids driving moisture deeper. For grime, gently swab ports with 70% isopropyl on a lint-free tip. Avoid excess liquid. Once clean, run the watch's speaker test or play a known tone at medium volume so you can hear whether crackle, buzzing, or muffling remain and identify the problem area. You finish by adjusting software and, if needed, resetting hardware. Go into sound settings and revert any equalizer, boost, or enhancement options. These can introduce distortion. If noise persists after cleaning and updates, perform a factory reset to rule out a software corruption. Make sure your backup is current. Finally, if the problem continues, record the noise and contact manufacturer service. A recorded sample plus your step speeds diagnosis and proves it's a hardware fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.